Okay, like we introduced in the last plot, the histogram. It really is fundamental or kind of the starting point for most of your data analysis, your univariate analysis, really your overall EDA in general. It's usually the first thing that I do because it gives you such a good sense of the distributions. It generalizes the data in the sense that what it's going to do is it's going to, in each one of these bins, it's going to put a certain level of or certain is going to count the amount of data, the amount of time it occurs in that range. Okay, this does it almost is like if you were to have a larger sample. This is how the distribution would look. It's going to remove a lot of this noise, like you can see here. You still see the shape, but you can still see some noise in this image right here. And what it's doing is it's generalizing. It's going to really show us just the outline of the distribution. And it's kind of like if you were to assume you had more data, what would the distribution look like? And so we'll generalize that. Detail is important. Lots of the time, detail can be harmful even for our eyes as us as humans. Can be deceiving. So when we want lots of just detail, there are other plots that we would use. This is a good starting point because we get a sense of the data, and then we can figure out, do we need to go into more detail, or can we, which ones specifically, which distributions are worthwhile to go into a lot of detail. And so we'll have choices over the number of bins that we can control. A cool thing in Seaborn is that we can control the figure size. Right in the plots is very quick and easy. And one of the things that I love about this histogram plot is that we can do the log transformation, like we learned about in the last class. We can do this right inside of the plot. So we're not really changing the distribution, we're just changing the plot so that we can get a sense of it. We often want to change the actual column as well and maybe create a secondary one of the log transformation. But here, if we don't want to, we can just test it. It doesn't even make sense to do that in the first place. Just do it kind of on the fly in the fly. It's a very powerful tool and a quick and easy tool.